Hi everybody, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video we're going to be looking at the audit log in the Office 365 Security Compliance Center and how to search it. So this video is going to be great for you if you want an overview of how to search the audit log. This video is taken from our Information Protection for Administrators course over at our online school at school.collaboration.coach. The Information Protection course covers all aspects of information protection in Office 365, of which the audit log is just a part. So if you like these videos, then please check us out at school.collaboration.coach. So when you land on the audit log search page, the first thing you're asked to do is create a search criteria. And along the left-hand side here, you've got the opportunity to choose an activity, a date, some users, and some destinations like files, folders, and sites. And then once you've chosen your criteria, you hit search. At the very basic level, you can just come here and hit the search button. The search results appear over here on the right hand side. You can click on them to get more information, and then there's further information listed down here. Let's come over here and look at the activities. If I drop down this item here, activities, it's going to show me a very long list of different activities I can choose from. The way it's organized here is that you'll have a group heading like file and page activities, and when you select that, it will select all the activities within that heading. So you can see they're all ticked now, and then I can untick them, or I can just go straight to the activity and pick out the ones I'm interested in. So let's scroll down here and say we're interested in the sharing and access request activities. We want to know who's been sharing what with who. So we can select sharing and access requests, and then if I click off, that's now selected in my activities field. Next thing we can do is choose a date window to look for. So if I click on the little calendar icon here, I've got the calendar here that I can choose the date from. Now the information will only go back 90 days. In my case, it's because it's a test tenant, it only goes back a couple of weeks, but at maximum it will only show you 90 days of information. So I'm going to take it back to this date and then to the current date. So that's my date window set. With that, I'm going to hit search again and refine my query. So when the results come back, I'm now only seeing sharing activities between that date. Now, what's cool with the results is that you can filter them, and the filtering is pretty clever because it's predictive. If I start typing shared, for example, it's going to filter that list by the keyword shared. So I'm only seeing the shared files and folder activities. And I can do the same with people as well. So if I start typing Alex, it will filter the results by Alex. And then I could do the same with IP address as well. So if I was interested in a certain IP or subnet, I could start filtering by that as well. So that video was taken from our online course, Information Protection for Administrators. If that video helped and you'd like to do the rest of the course, then head over to school.collaboration.coach and check out the course. Thanks for watching and see you next time.